Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert GGives to cash using CIMB. Let's begin. GGives are not directly convertible to cash using CIMB Bank. However, you might be able to convert them to cash indirectly through other methods depending on where you are located and the specific terms of your GGives. Here are some possible approaches. Check with the GGives provider. Contact support. Reach out to the company or organization that issued the GGives to inquire about their specific redemption policies. They may have options for converting them to cash or using them for specific purchases. Third-party platforms. Some GGives might be redeemable on third-party platforms that allow you to convert them to cash or gift cards. Number 2, explore online marketplaces. Sell GGives. While not guaranteed, you might be able to sell your GGives on online marketplaces or forums to individuals who are willing to purchase them for cash. However, be cautious and ensure you're dealing with reputable buyers to avoid scams. Number 3, use GGives for purchases. Eligible merchants. Check if there are merchants or online stores that accept GGives as a form of payment. This way, you can indirectly use the value of your GGives to make purchases. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.